This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Pamela Froman. Farmhouse 3,250 square feet. Nestled on an expansive 10+ acres await your family and horses. Quiet, serene natural setting backs up to woods. Plenty of space for gardening, outdoor barbecues and activities with your family and friends. Beautiful in-ground pool and mature landscaping. Outbuildings include 2 run-ins, hay shed, pool shed and well house. 2 large fenced pastures grace the property. The kit offers Corian countertops, recessed lights and lots of counter and cabinet space. All appliances convey including 2 refrigerators, freezer, West/D. Spacious living room/dining room and family room with wood-burning fireplace to gather on cold winter nights. Great flow for entertaining. 2 bonus rooms can be office/workout room. Bedroom and bathroom on first floor, second floor primary bedroom with balcony and ensuite. Jacuzzi tub to relax at the end of a busy day. Separate tiled shower plus 2 additional bedrooms. New HVAC 2021, roof 6 years, pool liner 8 years old. New deck K. Screened porch. Detached garage and carport. For more information, review the details below or contact Pamela Froman at 757 478 1091.